YouTube? This is your boy Mike Black. I'm down here at the Milwaukee River where it's still frozen up, where you can see all the cool condos. I used to live down here. I've lived in several of these condos. And if you see those boats way down there, the Edelweiss, I used to be best friends with the owner of that, Captain Blackheart. There's the century clock. So we go to Drawbridge. It's probably one of the bank buildings. There's Chase. Wow, look at that one way up there. Nice little penthouse. Yep, and we got some kind of marine sculpture here. This is basically the river walk. Some pretty cool architecture down here. I like that building a lot. Very picturesque. Typical Milwaukee drawbridge. Drawbridge operator sits in there. Cool. That must be the federal building right there, guys. And this is the alley that I accessed it through, which is a cool old world 1800s alleyway, building, fire escape. Pretty cool stuff, guys.